Hello friends, welcome to our Chanel 3D world, making the world creative.
Today, we are going to start our new topic in part design padding. Padding is a 3D operation where you fill up any profile you created in 3D. For example, first we open part design. For a sketching in part design, first we set up plane, then a sketch. Suppose we have to fill up or make a hollow pipe. Okay, and then pipe have two radius. First one is inner radius. Suppose this is our inner radius and outer radius. This is our outer radius. I have given that both are concentric. Okay, this is outer radius. This is inner radius. Okay, after creating our profile, we have to go on the 3D operation or just click on exhaust workbench. That's all. It means you will exhaust from the sketch workbench and go to the 3D operation. In 3D operation, the first tools we know that is pad, which will use to fill up any material. For it, first select your sketch. You have selected a sketch. Click on pad and give the length. Okay, how many length you want. Suppose I have to make it 250 meter. Preview. Okay. This is a hollow pipe 250 meters. Okay. Suppose we have to make a cylinder. This type of cylinder. Suppose we have to make what? I have to want to fill a rectangle. Okay, this is a rectangle. Padding this. How many? 250 mm. Okay. This is a rectangular box created. This is what is padding. In padding, two more options appearing. One is drafted fillet pad and another is multi-pad. And in padding, you will see even then it will show up to next, up to last, up to plane, up to surface. Let's see what happens. Suppose we have drawn a profile. It is better to open a new part design window. So I am going to open a new part window. Part in our habit design. First select our plane, then a sketch. Then if you have make a circle, okay. Oh, left it. Suppose you make a rectangle and you have padded it 20 mm. Okay, select this surface. If you want a circle to from this to last one, then simply draw a circle and pad it. Here you have to see option up to plane. Here you have to give the plane to which plane. Suppose from here you want to pad a display. Let's select this plane to pad it a display. Not seen because okay, I have showed some other. Suppose you select this plane. There are something here. I need to want to pad it. What happens? No. Okay. Moving to next. I will show you one by one everyone. Do not adjusting for this surface. suppose I will tell you about pocketing and just doing something which I will show you. Okay, suppose this is our profile and I have to fill this part. Okay, and first select a plane, this plane, click on a sketch, then make a circle from side to this. Okay, then I have to pad. Okay, and click on the pad and plane and give the plane. Suppose to this plane, we have given preview. Okay, this is the plane we have to give the plane. How many plane it will be padded up to last. In up to last, the pad up to the last. So point the intersection point. So at the last point, it will be pad. If you draw something here, suppose I have changed the plane. Okay. This plane is better. Suppose I have taken this plane. Okay. And we draw something. And I want to pad this up to last. Then it will be picked up to the last where it this is up to the last operation. Next one up to the surface. You have to give the surface every surface it will pad, up to next. And how many goes up to next? This all can be done by converse. If you do plastic in the phone, then you all understand completely. Up to next, okay, from that part to the next part, here will be offset. Okay, next one. Up to last, it will be padded at the last point of the profile to where you have place. It up to last. Up to plane, you have to give the plane. Up to surface, if you give surface, give this surface, it will be padded. That's it. Now moving to next, that is drafted fillet. Sorry, we will open analysis, which I will tell you later. But we have to open part design. Okay, this is the part design window. Here, suppose we have drawn a circle and padded it to 20 mm. Suppose we want a circle which is goes padded by an angle, then we use drafted padding. Here you draw a circle. Okay, now drafted padding and select the first limit it is and the second limit. Second limit means that up to this plane, you have select second limit angle. If you press 35 angle, then it will make an angle of 35 from first limit. First limit is about this, and it's making a 35 degree from here. If you put the second limit, then you will make from the second limit. Second of this, you will make 35 degree from this. So this is the first limit. Later it is this one. First limit it is this one, and second limit it is this. Suppose we have changed this to 8. First limit radius is this one, second limit radius is this one. Okay, this is our limit radius. This is our drafted angle padding, where it pad by giving the angle. First second limit, it will pad from, this is a 5. Just simply chamfering, nothing else. Which I will tell you later. Second limit, from this to this. First limit, from this to this. You have to, okay, this is our drafted as fillet padding. I tell you again, first to draw a circle, pad it 20 mm, again a dry circle, and want it pad by an angle. So click on drafted angle padding, select the first limit, this one, second limit, this one. If you give first limit, then it will make an angle for first limit, which is about this. So here 25 degree, put second limit, then making a 45 degree, that's the first. Okay. Now this is multi-padding. Multi-padding means if you draw 2 to 3 times circle, for example, you have draw 3 circles. First one, second one, third, and 1, 2. More than 2, not 2, more than 2, and 1, 2. If it 2, okay, 2 more than 2, done. And want to pad these all 3 circles. Then I have to click multi-padding and giving the dimension of each watch. And the green and so that the selected circle. This is our selected circle. So this is green light. Suppose we have padded it 20 mm. This one we have padded it 40 mm. Last one I have padded it 60 mm. Preview. This is what our drafted, sorry, multi padding. This is our padding. Now move to the next pocketing. Pocketing is nothing but to make the surface free. Or in other words, we can say that pocketing defines as that to remove the material from a fill-up material. If I fill up a material by the help of padding, suppose I draw a circle, okay, and I fill up it with 20 mm, okay, this is about 20 mm, and I want to remove a selected area. I want to remove material of a selected area. Then firstly I select area. Suppose I want to remove material from this area, okay, then go to the pocket and give a dimension. How many lengths? Suppose from here to here, if you click up to plane and give this plane, then you will move to the plane up to last, up to surface, this surface, this surface, up to next, come at the 20 mm. This is the all the things which you study. 20 mm. Then the area covering this circle to this part were removed up to 20 mm. Up to 20 mm. All the materials which are filling in this area were removed up to the length of 20 mm. Here materials under this circle area removed up to 20 mm. So this is our pocketing. Pocketing is also drafting, fill-up pocket and multi-pocket. These are all same. Padding is fill, pocketing is remove, and all the concept is same. Suppose we have draw a circle, okay, and for pocketing, padding must be done. But if there is no material, then that will be removed. So firstly, We have to give material. This is fill up material, and I want to cut it with an angle. Sorry, first we draw area. How much area to cut this plane? Suppose I have to cut under this area. Okay, area which comes under this. Click on drafted flat pocket. Second limit is this. Okay, 35 degree preview. So let's look. For this simply. Sorry, this is our first limit now. Then the second limit is our this. Then look. Also in error message. Suppose I have to cut this area, then draw on it. Mm, mm, mm. 20 mm, second limit. Second limit I have selected this. Not cut the main part. If you are the forgetting and it's not updating. 20 mm depth. Second limit is this. Now let us look. In drafted flat pocket, you have to leave some area, and I am in previous case I am pocketing 20 and there is no area left at the bottom. So if I put 90, then it will be happens. Look, you have to give some area from second limit, from first limit, from top to bottom, from second limit, from first limit, bottom to top, second limit, top to bottom. There will be done. This is our drafted fillet pocket. We have to left some area at the bottom, not fully. We will never remove material from drafted material from up to the last. We have to leave some length. Suppose I have 20 mm, but I have done 19 mm trim. If we do 20 mm, then an error message appears. Next one is, suppose I have drawn some that area and I want to pocket from these both circles are what concentric, and I want this to our other runner. So I have to put same escape. So first we have delete it. Now again try it. Now we are going to study multi-pocketing. Here pocketing done in 5 to 1 more. Both are concept okay. Exist from workbench. Go to multi-pocketing. Give the dimension. Suppose first 10. This one is of 10. This one is of 20. Review. Look. 10, 20. This is 20 and this is 10. This is whatever multi-pocketing. Not only two. If you want to do more, just click on this sketch. To draw another sketch, 3 sketch, click on multi-pocketing. First the green blue line, so that is select. This one is selected. Sorry, I am telling at that time green line, but the selected profile is of blue line. This profile selected. This is of blue line. Very sorry. 20 mm. Suppose I have given this to 20 mm, this to 40, and this to 60. Yes, look, this is the cutting. I think I've given more. I've given this to 10, this one is to 20, and this one is to 30. Okay, so this is our multi-pocketing, and I kindly request to all of you to do activity on this and make some different design. From pad and pocketing, you can make a lot of design. For example, you can make table, computer table, bed, and many other things you can make from pad pocketing. Rectangle, box, bench, many things you can make. So just see the things which is present in your home and trying to make it from pad and pocketing. Many home products were made with the help of pad and pocketing. Just try it on your home. I have give you fully knowledge about pad and pocketing. What is padding? What is pocketing? Padding to fill up material, pocketing to remove material. In the after padding is done with an angle. In multi-pocketing, you can pocket 2 or 3 or 5 at once. In pocketing is used to remove the material. Multi-pocketing remove multi materials in one time. Drafted fillet pocketing means it can remove material with an angle. So this is our pad and pocketing. And I can request to all of you to please do plastic on it at your home, and most of your home products when made. I just want to make you chair, table, bed, computer table from pad and pocketing. I believe you can able to make a computer table with the help of pad and pocketing. So please do it at your home, because if you do a lot of plastics in CATIA, then you will learn how to use CATIA. You just do wrong. Doing wrong in CATIA will give you a lot of knowledge in CATIA. Okay? Goodbye.